Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 21st, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decision. So Tesla is continuing its uptrend. So we are up $15.77, up 1.74%. We closed at 921.16. Post market, we seem to be up a little bit, $1.84. So we'll have to see about that. So what happened today? We closed outside of this downward channel that we have been following for a while, since November 4th, basically. We closed outside of this. We closed outside of it. So that's very good news. But we have a longer wick at the top than at the bottom. The stock tried to break even 940.13. We broke it only during the day, but then we came back down and we closed just a little bit higher than this resistance that is now turning support. Let's go see the 1 hour chart right away. This is the first hour of the day here. So we opened right on the resistance, came all the way up to 940, up to 942, but that came back down below that resistance. So it could have meant that we could have caved in here. We could have caved in here because we closed below here. But then on the second hour, no. On the second hour, nice green candle breaking outside of the downward channel. Then we stayed there for 1 hour. Then we came back down and closed right smack on it. Can it be more precise than that? I don't think so. So closed right smack on the resistance, and then another green candle here. And now we are pulling back from that green candle. In terms of indicators here, a stochastic at 81, so still quite strong. MACD still crossed over bullish, but we see the effect in MACD here. We have a little bit of a slowdown here. RSI super strong and DMI still super strong. Let's go back to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, stochastic at 91, so came down a little bit, but still super strong. We have the MACD crossed over bullish. That's good. We have RSI now at 57, over 50 is good. And DMI is not yet there, but look at how close the green line is to the red line. So we are getting very close to having a crossover bullish also here. Okay, so nice move. We are still very happy with this move. Now we need to take a look at this resistance right here. So we have, I would tend to say that we have two resistance that we need to take a look at. We have the 940.13, which we could not break outside of today. We could be breaking outside of it tomorrow. So this is one thing. And maybe the more important resistance is this one here. So this is the top of the channel. So Tesla is now in a upward channel. So we were inside a broader downward channel, a smaller downward channel, and into a bullish channel at the same time. So technical analysis, you need to see the different patterns that are at play at the same time. So we started into this bullish channel on February 24th, and we went up to maybe approximately $888. And then we came back down here, and we seem to be doing the second leg up. But it's always possible that we come down to this support right here. This is what the stock is allowed to do based on our resistance and everything. It does not have to do that, but we should not be surprised that it does this. That being said, we have a big double support right here that started March 2020. So look at how Tesla has been following this double support, except recently. So recently we crossed underneath here, came back and retested it, came back down, and now we are making a higher low right here. So maybe we are just going to come back And maybe the pullback from 940, and this is what I'm getting at, maybe the pullback from 940 is going to be right here. So that would be the best case scenario, right here, so that we have just a small pullback here and not this pullback down to the support right here. So we want the pullback to respect the two support lines. So this will tell us that Tesla is back into this big uptrend that it had been for 2 years. So we want to get back into this big uptrend. And then if we do that, 940 should be very easy to cross. And then we are going to have to consider this upward resistance as well. So this upward resistance has been used in the past a couple of times. And I would say one time on January 28th, one time on March 1st, and also I would almost call it another time today. So 3 times it was used. It still have to be reckoned with. And any good news can make just the stock go and break these resistance a lot easier. So let's stay tuned to see what is going to happen with Tesla. I do this Tesla video every single day of the week, so stay tuned and subscribe to be there and look at the play-by-play. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.